How to fix forgotten Messenger pin code. Let's get started with the video. First, launch the Messenger app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the 3-bar icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to open the main menu. Click on the settings at the top. In the settings menu, scroll down and select privacy and safety. Locate and tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats. Then open the message storage where your pin settings are stored. To fix forgotten Messenger pin code, you will need to reset your pin. So select the reset pin option. Furthermore, follow the on-screen prompts to set a new pin. Lastly, type in your new pin. Then confirm it by entering it again. Once done, your new pin will be set and you can continue using the Messenger. That's it. This is how to fix forgotten Messenger pin code.